Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. So the voice is currently available to all 13 plus phone verified users in these countries mentioned here. So if you are not from these countries, you need to use ID verification to enable voice chat. So how do you enable it? You have to go to account settings, select privacy tab, toggle the use microphone to chat with voice selector to on. Then the toggle will turn from gray to green, indicating that the chat voice has been enabled for your account. Now, how can you tell who has voice chat? So if you see this button, this speaker icon next to a username, and above the avatar, the user that has chat voice enabled. And if you want to mute, block, or report someone, you can do that by clicking their name in the Roblox menu, and the muting only applies to chat with voice and not text chat. It only lasts while you are in the experience session. To unmute a user, access Roblox menu and click the speaker icon next to their username. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.